Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to transfer money from MoneyLion to your Cash App account. So first of all, you need to open your Cash App. Then you need to click your profile icon in the top right. And you need to scroll down until you will see linked banks. You need to click it and then select link debit card. So MoneyLion card is a debit card. So let's click link debit card, and right here you need to enter all of the necessary information. So you need to enter debit card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code. So once you're done, then click link card button in the bottom and you will link your MoneyLion card to your Cash App. After that, you can deposit money from MoneyLion to Cash App. To deposit money, you need to click the bank icon in the bottom left menu, then click add money. Right here, select the amount of money you want to deposit, and from the payment options, you need to choose MoneyLion's card. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.